In case you didn't know, that bird represents peace. And this is my peaceful music. Man, don't it feel good to be free? Now listen, what I'm talking about, man, some of the things that used to plague us back in the day, whether it was depression, whether it was alcohol, whether it was drug addiction, whether it was just getting in trouble with the law, whether it was just stress in our own head, whether it was sexual sin, pornography, whatever it was, depression. But it feels good right now that we're not plagued by that anymore. See, I don't know everything about the bird. I know 3 things though. It sings in the morning, it rises above the storm, and when it gets cold, man, it goes down south. If that ain't peace, I don't know what is. Come on, y'all. You may as well celebrate your victory. Some of the things that, man, I've heard that some of y'all have overcome in your life: physical abuse, mental abuse, emotional abuse, cancer, AIDS. Yeah, I've heard people deliver from that stuff, man. You may as well celebrate. Low self-esteem, depression, mental illness. And today we're doing fine. And we may as well celebrate. We got to get to the point where we realize it's okay to dance. It's okay to smile. And it's okay to be positive. Come on, y'all. This is our peaceful music. Now remember, hey, we ain't bound no more. That's all the reason to get up and dance. Come on, y'all. Freedom feels good. So listen, just like the bird, let's sing in the morning, rise above the storm. When it's time to go on vacation, let's go.